Welcome to this advanced crystal reports tutorial. Today we are diving deep into sub-reports and report linking, powerful features that take your reports to the next level. Sub-reports are like nested reports inside your main report. They allow you to fetch and display separate data such as customer details and their recent transactions in one report layout. Imagine showing each employee's profile alongside their sales summary or attaching payment history below an invoice. Sub-reports are perfect for these scenarios. To add a sub-report, go to the Insert menu, choose Sub-report, and either create a new one or insert an existing report. Make sure to link related fields between the main report and sub-report. In this example, main report shows customer details and the sub-report fetches their respective orders using the customer ID as the linking field. Placing sub-reports in the group footer helps avoid repeating the same data. Also, use formatting options to keep your layout clean and professional. Report linking lets users click and open related reports. This feature is great for creating drill down reports. Think of going from a summary view to a full breakdown. To link two reports, use the hyperlink option. Choose the target report and pass the right parameter. Make sure both reports are in sync through parameter fields. Let us say you have a regional sales summary. When the user clicks on a region name, a detailed sales report name, a detailed sales report for that region opens using region name as a parameter. To get the most out of sub-reports and linking, use shared variables wisely. Don't overuse sub-reports. They can slow down performance, and always manage parameters carefully. To recap, we have seen how to use sub-reports for extra data and how to link reports for user interaction. These techniques make your reports dynamic and powerful. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe. In the next video, we will learn about exporting and scheduling crystal reports. See you there.